Before you write a single line of application code, there is one tool you will reach for constantly: the Redis command line interface, redis-cli. Redis-cli is a readable print loop that speaks the Redis serialization protocol. You type a command, the server evaluates it and sends back a reply, and the client prints it all in under a millisecond on a local machine. Under the hood, redis-cli encodes your input using the Redis serialization protocol, sends it over a TCP socket, and waits for a typed reply. The reply type tells you exactly what Redis returned: a status, an integer, a bulk string, or nil. Let's run a real session. PONG is your health check. If the server is up, it replies PONG. Set returns OK, get returns a bulk string, incr returns an integer, and get on a deleted key returns nil. When you review a PR that shells out to redis-cli or mimics its command flow, look for keys in any loop: bare get then set pairs with no atomicity, missing nil guards, and scripts that forget to specify the database with the -n flag. Remember, ping for health, nil guards on every get, and scan instead of keys in any script. Redis-cli is the fastest way to understand what Redis is doing. Use it often while you learn.